Hello, Indian River Club members and residents. Taking a look at a few holes on the back nine. On hole number 15, palmettos were removed on the right side. The pine tree was removed by the cart path just off the green. And our greenside bunkers are reshaped and resized. Hole number 16, the cruncher work was completed on the left side, and the greenside bunker also reshaped and resized. On hole 17, cruncher completed work on the left side also to assist with better airflow to the surface. The fairway bunker on the left was removed, along with the first fairway bunker on the right. That was also removed. And the shell bunker and the formal bunker up by the green on the right will have a grass divider. The 18th hole, the first bunker on the right, has been removed. In the rock wall project, the rocks were removed. That area was reshaped and resized, and new fabric was put in place, and then the rocks were all put back. Hope everyone's enjoying their summer. I'll talk to you next time.